Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to check your real signal strength on your iPhone using a hidden feature. So, go ahead and open the phone application in your mobile device, the one you use to make the calls, and then tap on keypad. Now go ahead and simply type in this exact code. So, go ahead and type in *3001 hash 12345 hash star. Once you have done that, go ahead and hit the call button, and then this will launch your iPhone's hidden field test mode. Here you will see technical info like signal strength, band, SIM details, and carrier data. To check your real strength, you want to look for RSRP or dBm values. The closer the number is to 0, the stronger the signal is. So if it's closer to -120, your signal is weak. And that is simply how you can check signal strength on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.